Shut up, sleepover. Don't tell me to shut up. Not right now, Coattails. Not right now, Coattails. Jeez. Oh, shut the door. Right. Kind of busy. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Yeah. So I can post it on YouTube, then I can show my friends. What?
Videotaping right now?
Yeah.
Right now?
Yes.
Bella, stand next to your sister. She's videotaping right now. Nothing. So I can take your picture. Okay, don't pick your nose right.
Okay.
It's awesome.
It doesn't matter if I blinked. I just wanted to be a good picture in the shade.
Your shirt, baby. Your video.
Dude, he's gonna like them all right now. He's gonna like them. I'm just gonna and then I'll go over there and go. I smell smoke.
Oh, yeah.
How many matches you getting? You need to get it? Go, keep going up. Go up the sidewalk. By Sai's car. There it is. It might be hot, Bella. We'll just touch the parachute.
Bella, just touch the parachute.
Just touch the parachute part.
Parachute.
No. Yeah. She got it. Yay! Actually, that made an awesome video, huh?
Yep, so is that it?
I thought the wind was coming down this way. Airborne trooper.
I got the parachute.
I remember when I got one, I burnt my finger. Or my thumb.
Fingers, thumb? Yeah.
Not exactly, they have different names.
But they're still fingers.
Yeah. I think it's gonna land on a roof. Yep,
Yep.
it landed on the roof. I totally called
Not on
that.
her roof. Haley called that one. Apparently.
Yep, I knew it was
Haley wins.
Anyway, I don't think you need to record the whole thing. How much time you got?
Well, on YouTube, I can upload videos to 15 minutes.
And
Or
can you
past
edit it?
15 minutes.
Can you edit it before you upload it?
Yeah.
You know how to do that?
Why would I need to edit it?
This part that we're talking, the nobody is lighting any fireworks, that part. You can edit that out. What are you doing? Another parachute?
I can edit, but sometimes my movie maker shuts off by itself.
She said that we can come in whenever we want. They just ate. Make perfect. We just ate.
Who just ate?
Keller. Yeah, so they won't be grilling for a while. I asked them if they were. I said not for a while. Just ate. I'm like, okay. Cool.
Grilling? You mean like grilling food?
Well, I don't know. She wasn't specific. I was just asking, you know, for a doing something. Like, are you grilling? And then she nothing. Just go. What is it? Is it a daylight?
Hi. Our viewers.
Fireworks. It's all about the noise. That's what it's about. Noise. I think Bella's gonna plug her ears so she can't hear the noise. Hearing the birds.
Oh, bird! Nuclear seeking missiles! I'm starting to smell that.
Yeah, it's blowing right
Right
at us.
at us!
You're in there. Hungry. Are you getting any of that? It's just noise, sweetie.
So why do you people set up fireworks on the 4th of July? Look at her!
It's okay.
Ah! Evil! These fireworks are evil! Ah!
They go faster.
Evil.
Wow.
Those are good.
That's awesome. Okay. Oh, you missed them. They're all done now.
They're not all done.
Come on, Haley. Amber, you got to.
Let's see. Got 2 more to try out. I guess we can still do it. I just gotta do it where it won't blow onto us. I don't want to be smoked out. It's not like we're in Washington anymore. We're walking around getting smoked out.
It's the wrong kind of smoke.
And I caught this.
The lighter right here.
Do not touch that.
Won't blow on out. This
Oh, don't touch it.
smoke.
My favorite.
Curiosity can lead to. Oh crap, what did you do?
It's a smoke grenade.
Oh.
It's just gonna be smoke. It's more like a Halloween one, but
Right. This one.
I love this one.
Just smoke.
Smoke.
No noise.
I don't know why people think it's
Ah!
yeah, ew.
Ah! It has definitely the penguins written all over it.
What's up?
Penguins always use grenades. It has them written all over it.
Yes.
I just wanted to give the viewers a closer look.
Why haven't we put those ones?
That's like you
We get burst into pieces.
Maybe the penguin snatched it.
Yeah, Bella, ew. Don't.
Bella, don't
Stand
run
in
in
the
it.
Doesn't it sink into your clothes?
It's stinky.
Wait, it sinks into your clothes?
Well, just
Maybe.
stand in it.
Try another one of those. See if we.
That's it. I was trying to give the viewers a closer look.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know how close the look they'll get.
Look at my pants.
At least they won't smell the poop.
Don't touch that. Two parachutes. Oh, parachute.
As I said, I can upload videos longer than 15 minutes.
Well, okay, so like I said, it's not really much to see. The nighttime ones are the ridiculous ones. These ones are just the noise ones.
I found another one.
Oh, it's right by Dad. Right there in the road. Didn't really open.
Don't.
Pick it up, I gotta go grab a pair of flip-flops. Make sure you don't miss all of them.
A Chinese kid?
Tiny thing I need.
Huh?
Why'd you say a Chinese kid needs to be fired?
I'll be right back.
Because that didn't come out.
That doesn't mean a kid made it.
This is a tiny one.
I doubt a kid can make a firework.
Three parachutes. Lots more to go.
Give those kids one more chance.
One more shot at it.
Thank goodness.
Actually,
I was just about to lay another one. Because I always have parachutes.
Day parachute.
Those little
Parachutes
ones.
are all we
That
have.
one didn't open.
First one didn't even come out that
Guess what?
Right.
On Big Plant 2, I made a 4th of July cat. And she
Yeah.
was lighting fireworks on the 4th
Oh,
of
sorry, I'm
July.
like standing in front of your video, dude.
I want to cover your ears for this one.
Well, Bella
You know
just
the
doesn't
limit
let
of a
me.
YouTube video is 15 minutes?
Huh?
You know the limit of a YouTube video is 15 minutes?
Kidding.
I can
We don't
upload
have
more
to
than
cover
15 minutes now.
yours.
Because I checked.
We haven't been out here.
Here's a 10-hour video.
I don't think you're doing. It's not there anymore. Hold on, hold on.
Wait for the
Car.
stop.
Okay, go. Okay, go.
It's right here. Why do they always close by themselves?
Oh, it's a little baby parachute. This was a pink one.
This is a little one. Okay, let someone else go get the next one. There's one more.
Okay. If I can.
There it is. Go get it.
Unless if it lands on a roof.
Go get it. It's right there on the street.
It might land on the face.
So now is that it?
I think so.
Right here. And put the
That's pretty
little
much-
ones in
Pretty much it. That's it. And my neck and back is hurting and hands are holding from holding this laptop like this. I'm used to this. Still stinks. Ah! Thanks for watching.